everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I'm Hannah Forbes, Director of Marketing and Brand Strategy here at Forbes, and I'm joined today by one of our brilliant sales advisors, Jamie Jagdier.
Hi Anna,
Um,
how you doing? You all right?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Nice to see you.
And you? So today we're just going to be talking about Forbes and rental as a lifestyle choice, really. Um, Obviously, since Forbes was established in 1926 by my grandfather, we've grown considerably to become the nationwide operation that we are today, renting kitchen, laundry, and electrical appliances across the UK. In that time, we've never lost sight of who we are and our local customer centric approach. So I really wanted to talk to Jamie as someone who's got his feet on the ground, speaking to the customers daily, just to kind of delve into what those conversations are really and why people choose to rent. So Jamie, obviously at the moment we're in a time of economic crisis, and consumers are very concerned about and considered about where they spend their money
Mm.
and or what they subscribe to. So in your experience, what would you say would be the reasons why people would choose to rent from Forbes at this particular time?
Yeah, I mean, as you say, I mean, times they're incredibly tough at the moment. The cost of living is having a huge impact on obviously everyone's lives. What we find is it's the big upfront costs that people don't want. So the real benefit for customers with us is everything is covered. So you have the delivery, the installation. We show you how to use the appliance as well. And at that's at that point, but also further on to it, if something does break down, it's then down to us to fix it. Now, if we can't fix it, we'll have to replace it. And we do so within the 24 hours. So we do say either same day or next day service. So customers can depend upon us as well. So we do really well in that department, I would say.
Yeah, that's right. And I think it's the fact that it's all, as you say, covered by a monthly cost, which helps with household budgeting as well, especially at this particular time. I think in general, there's been a bit of a kind of seismic shift away from an obsession with ownership and more towards usership. Um, so people are leasing cars, even furniture, even clothes. So whilst I know that some people do compare buying with a warranty to rental, I think
Mm.
the experience is clearly very distinct. Perhaps you could kind of delve into that a bit.
Yeah, it's funny. I had a customer just the other day, literally asking me, why do people rent? So why do people rent when you can buy, say, a TV, for an example, with a 5-year warranty? And I went, yes, you can. You certainly can, but you can't compare rental to retail for a start. I've spoken to so many customers who have gone down the route of buying the product. They bought a TV and it goes wrong within the year, so they're meant to be covered under the warranty. But unfortunately, under the warranty, they've been left without the TV working for 1 week, 2 weeks, even up to a month in some cases as well. With us, it's completely different. It's the same day service. So within 24 hours, we'll get out to you. There's a great example the other day. I had a customer who'd been waiting for about 2 weeks for a washing machine repair. And unfortunately, it still hadn't been repaired. So she gave us a call, and actually we were able to deliver it and install it the same day as well. She was over the moon. In fact, she wished she would have done it a bit sooner.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing, especially with these kind of essential items, kitchen and laundry appliances. If they go wrong, you really do need a quick fix with those. It's hard to be
Yeah,
without them, isn't it? And that's where the reliability of our service really kind of comes into play. Um,
absolutely.
our customers know that we will provide a same or next day engineer response when they need it. Um, Maybe you could kind of underpin kind of beyond that, what else is included within our customer service delivery? Um,
Yeah, yeah, of course. I mean, I think that's what we pride ourselves in is the delivery, installation, even included integrated appliances as well, which is quite a cost if you go elsewhere. I mean, when we say demo, it's more than just a demo. We go out there, we make sure the customer is happy and can use that product as well, so that we don't just leave the product there and then go on to the next job as what some people may or may not do. We really take time with the customer, demonstrate how to use it, and make sure they're happy before we leave as well. But going on further from that, I mean, we offer video calls, especially for examples like the child lock on a washing machine, where we have numerous calls about it, so we can show you as well. Rather than you be getting us out the same, well, next day, we can maybe show you how to get it off and help you via a video call also. So that's quite helpful. But we're always on hand just to take a call anyway if there's anything else. So we're pretty good in that department also.
Yeah, and I think that's how we really do stand out. And the fact that if someone's struggling to navigate a new TV or working out what washing machine cycle they may use
Yeah.
for a particular load, we will help them journey through that. And that's, as I said earlier, I think it's a real lifestyle choice as opposed to kind of making an impulse buy and seeing what people may consider to be a bargain.
Mm.
It's more of a long-term decision. I mean, speaking of rash decisions, I think that's something where we're all probably looking to avoid making impulse buys at the moment, trying to be more sustainable in our actions, and attempting to support the circular economy wherever possible. I don't know, I mean, how you would say that's reflected in the conversations that you're having and in terms of what we're offering to our customers in that regard.
Yeah. I mean, refurbishment is at the center of what we do. Although we have some customers who want the latest technology and the latest models as well, we have a vast majority of our customers who not only like the pre-love range, but that they choose the pre-love range as well. I mean, it can be very affordable, reliable, especially given the quality of the products as well that we have on offer on the quality refurbished models, such as Sony we use, Samsung, Bosch, all very prestigious brands that we use. So I think they feel comfortable knowing that we offer such brands. And again, we're always there on hand to help in case anything does ever go wrong.
Yeah, you're right. And obviously, they come back at the end of their first rental, they're fully refurbished, checked by our qualified engineers, and then go back into stock to be rented again. So it's that multi-phase life cycle that's afforded by rental. And as you said, very prestigious, well-known brands, household names that our customers can trust. And I think kind of as we approach our centenary next year, 100 years,
Yes, yes.
incredible, we remain firmly committed to delivering the best quality of not just service, but also a product, in spite of the fact that we've evolved considerably over the years. I mean, maybe you could kind of expand a bit more upon what it means for our customers to rent from Forbes, and why they choose
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, of course. I think the fact we are a family-run business, it does mean a huge amount to people, and it's key to the level of service that we deliver. I mean, we've changed over the years. We were only a local-based business, to now a nationwide operation that we are today, um, doing the very latest electrical and home appliances. I mean, but we are still firmly committed to like old-fashioned customer service. It's why we've had customers who have been upgrading with us for the last 20 plus years, or even adding on additional products for the last 20 plus years. And to be honest, we take care of it all. In fact, I had one specific customer who had been renting with us for over 50 years. And she seems to always still come back to me as well. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It is really nice.
Incredible. I love those stories. And they're not alone in that. I mean, we have got customers that have been with us
Mm.
for that long. It's extraordinary, really.
Oh,
And I think
absolutely.
another thing that we should all be immensely proud of is the culture, the internal culture that we've created here. Because
Mm.
not only do our customers stay with us for a very long time, but so do our staff.
Yeah.
It's extraordinary. We've got a really, really low staff turnover, a great number of our staff have been with us for over 20 years, and 37 staff members have been with us for over 30 years, which is really quite an achievement for both the staff and the business. I mean, how would you describe your experience of working for Forbes, Jamie?
Yeah, only good things to say. It really is like one big happy family. I've been here for now, I think we were speaking about this the other day, but I've been here for over 17 years now. I was about 10 years old when I think we first met, perhaps. So yeah, it's been a long time. My mum also, she's been here for over 30 years. And so many people end up bringing on family members. So it kind of tells you the culture of the place. Um, I mean, it's also great because I mean, we've got a huge amount of experience in the industry as well that people can draw upon. And the good thing is that the company obviously invests in our training. So year on, year out, they have to really because of obviously all the models, the new models that come out, and they do that so well so that we can obviously provide the customer with the best form of support as well.
Yeah, that's it, Jamie. And I think it's about providing a consultative service. And as you said,
Mm.
we've got such in-depth knowledge and experience here that we can pass on to our customers.
Yeah.
And it really does help you as a sales team ensure that they're choosing the right products for their budget, for their home, and their specific requirements. Um,
Yeah, I mean, just to butt in. I mean, a great example of this is frequently we have customers who will come back. Well, for me, sorry, as an example, they'll come back to me directly. So they'll give me a call, whether they want to upgrade an appliance, whether they want to add on an appliance, or even just to answer a question they may have about their existing appliance or existing contract. And then obviously if they come back to me direct, I can deal with it or I can help them deal with it by popping them through to customer service if they need to go down that route as well. So, but they always tend to still give me a call first. And we have that the same throughout the sales advisors as well.
That's right. And I think, obviously each customer is assigned their own dedicated sales advisor.
Mm.
And because of our low staff turnover, that genuinely does remain their contact
Is the case,
for
yeah,
the
yeah.
duration of their contract. And I think it's all about building long-term relationships with that will enable us to guide the customers through technological advances or changes in personal circumstance to ensure that they've always got the right product in their home, as we said earlier. And I love the stories that you all kind of put together. It's really
Yeah,
yeah,
there's a
it's
yeah.
really interesting. I mean, these people come back. Even our sales manager speaks to people that she spoke to 20 odd years
Oh, yeah,
he was their
absolutely. Yeah.
sales advisor. It's yeah, it's brilliant. I think I mean fundamentally that's it really. Our staff are what make Forbes what it is really. I mean they're the heart and the face of the company. And really it's kind of testament to their dedication that we've won all of these numerous awards that we've kind of collated over the years, and we've really got quite a trophy cupboard full of them. In fact, we're up for another 6 awards so far this year, which is amazing and really exciting. Just recognizing all assets throughout our business, from customer service to the repair side of things to our website usability. Um, Sustainability is recognized as well, and obviously sales. I mean, it's incredible. We're immensely proud to still have retained our 5-star Trustpilot rating. I mean, we've had over 1,000 reviews now, and retained that, and also our platinum rating on FIFO, which is incredible. And obviously, these are genuine customer reviews, so they're a true reflection of the customer experience and the service that we deliver.
Yeah, I mean it's amazing, isn't it? I mean we get some incredible reviews we receive from our customers on FIFO, obviously Trustpilot. It really goes a long way for us as well. I mean, people really actually go into detail about it as well. I mean, it can be about any part of the customer journey, if you like. So whether you go from the point of contact with the sales advisor who have directed them in the right direction on what they need, or whether it's the engineer who's gone taken their time to make sure that the customer is happy, and obviously everything's gone smoothly and that they understand how to use the appliance, or even later on down the line, whether it's customer service that they speak to rectify an issue or a problem, and they've dealt with it quickly and accordingly. So there's so many different reviews that we get, as you see as well. We went, I think we looked at a couple
Mm.
only last week, and there were some really nice ones, wasn't there?
It means so
But
much. I think, as you say, it's all touch points that are recognized. Um, and it really does matter to us, the feedback that we get. And we do, as you say, we sit down and read them, read them.
yeah.
And there are a lot. We receive numerous reviews, which is incredible. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we often, to slightly touch upon that. I mean, our existing customers, they refer their friends and their relatives as part of the recommend a friend scheme as well, where some of our existing customers have earned £75 for each approved referral and continue to do so as well. So it really goes to show that for them to refer their friends and family, that they do place their trust in us as well.
100%. That's it. I mean, it's a really generous referral scheme, and it's been really successful and has enabled a lot of organic growth. But as you say, I think that's kind of also a demonstration of the value in our products and services. Um, so yeah, I mean, I think really, if you're listening and you want to know more, do visit our website. We will put an overlay so that you can see the details. Obviously, follow us on all of our social platforms. We've got a very active Facebook and Instagram page, so do see what's happening there, and get some behind the scenes insight, or give us a call. Again, we'll put the number here, and maybe you'll speak to Jamie himself on the end of the phone.
Cheesy grid.
Yeah, well, thanks so much for listening. We hope it's been of interest to you.